This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. All is well. September 4th, 2020. Let's take a look at markets here. Markets opening higher. Market's been open for about 50 minutes. Trading as high as 250 on the Dow, give or take. Let's take a look at the 5-minute short-term charts. And even though I don't trade this time frame, sometimes we see things playing out for those of you who are looking for ideas on how to trade the small time frame. Here's a 5-minute chart. And we are using RSI setting of 26. And the reason for this is so that we can remove a lot of the false signal. All right, we're going to focus on two lines in this short video. So let's say you are trading this on a small time frame, intraday trading, day trading, so to say. There are a couple of lines. There's a top side line, and I'm going to draw it this way. This line here was, let's call it a breakout line of some sorts here. The market went higher, and then we would go on to break below that line here, which is this movement here. So what we're going to do is actually go back to the line, in other words, and extend it. So take this line here, excuse me, let's keep that blue color and extend it out. And you can see as of right now, we are seeing the market at the highs of the first 50 minutes or so of trading. The market has come and hit that level. Okay, so that's a sign of a potential resistance right there. There's another line also, which happens to be a backtest line on this 5-minute chart, and we're going to draw it this way. So again, what we see from here is this line happens to be where we break down right here. And so we can go back and extend that line again, see what we get. And again, we can see the line does confirm that there is some type of an intraday resistance here, as the market did gap higher in the first couple of trading minutes for September 4th. It's another way of saying that if the market is going to go higher, it would need to clear and move above the red line and the blue line. But let's say you are trying to scalp for a couple of points in terms of day trading, swing trading, holding for a couple of hours, maybe a couple of minutes. That is where you should have considered resistance and a potential intraday pullback for the market. And those lines also define an area of entry should the market move above those two lines. And that's just a quick video, educational video on how you can use the RSI for short-term intraday swing trading. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. Love light, light love. Namaste.